In this video, I'll show you how to sharpen a hand plane blade like a pro. A sharp hand plane lets you make smooth and accurate cuts on your projects. But if your blade is dull, you'll end up with rough and uneven surfaces. That's no fun, right? Don't worry, sharpening the hand plane blade is easy. You just need a few things: a sharpening stone or honing guide, some honing oil or water, and a flat surface to work on. If you're new to this, I recommend using a honing guide. It'll make your life easier. First, you need to remove the blade from the hand plane. Most hand planes have a simple lever or screw that lets you do this. Just be careful not to damage the blade or hurt yourself. Next, you need to lubricate the stone with some honing oil or water. This helps the stone glide smoothly over the blade and removes any metal shavings. You also need to make sure your stones are flat. This will ensure you get a consistent edge. Now, you're ready to start sharpening. You want to start with the coarsest stone and work your way up to the finest one. This will give you a nice and shiny edge. Hold the blade at a steady angle against the stone, usually around 25 degrees. Move the blade back and forth, applying even pressure on each stroke. Try to keep a smooth and continuous motion. This will give you an even edge. If you're using a honing guide, just set the angle and let it do the work for you. The honing guide will keep the blade stable and give you a precise edge every time. Don't forget to sharpen the back of the blade too. This will make sure your blade performs at its best. Once you're done sharpening, put the blade back into the hand plane and test it on some wood. A sharp blade will easily make clean, thin shavings, giving you that satisfying sound of wood being cut. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more awesome woodworking content. Thank you for watching. See you next time.